Horizon Laser Air Cooling Handheld Laser Welding Machine, the smallest and lightest laser welding system. Weight, only 35 kilograms. Volume is less than 0.1 cubic meters. Easily fits into car trunk. Welding speed, 5 times faster than TIG welding. Quick to learn, allowing new users to make high-quality welds in just a few hours. Horizon Laser makes your welding work more efficient. We will provide you with efficient and fast after-sales protection. We are sure to be your good choice for fiber laser machines. Horizon Laser supports OEM and ODM. Welcome to contact us now.